Want to learn Ruby on Rails? Here are some fun facts to get you started. Ruby was first released in 1995 by Yukihiro Matsumoto, aka Mats, who wanted to create a language that was more productive and fun to use. Rails was created by David Heinemeier Hansen, aka D-Chach, who released it in 2004. He got the idea while working on a project and thought, there has to be a better way. The name Rails was inspired by the framework's ability to help you build applications quickly, like train tracks that guide you to your destination. Ruby on Rails is used by Airbnb, GitHub, and Shopify, among other big-name companies. The Rails logo is a gem, literally. It's a play on the idea that gems are precious and Rails is a gem of a framework. Ruby has a strong focus on code readability, which is why it's often called the programmer's best friend. Now that you know these fun facts, here are some tips to get you started. Start with the basics. Learn Ruby first, then move on to Rails. Build small projects to get a feel for the framework. Join online communities like Rails Girls or Reddit's r/learn programming for support and resources. Watch tutorials and online courses to dive deeper into the world of Rails. Happy coding, and remember, Rails is all about being agile and having fun.